In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and send invoices in QuickBooks Desktop. We'll walk through the full process of creating an invoice, saving it properly, then finding that invoice again so you can email it to your customer. This is a simple workflow, but it's important to enter each detail carefully so your records stay accurate and your customer receives the correct billing information. Start by going to the Customers menu at the top of QuickBooks Desktop, then choose Create Invoices. This opens the invoice form where you'll record the sale. In the Customer Job field, select the customer or job you want to bill. From there, enter the invoice date so the transaction is recorded correctly in your books. Next, choose the item or items that were sold. These items usually pull in descriptions, rates, or amounts automatically, depending on how they were set up in QuickBooks. As you enter them, take a moment to review the invoice total and make sure everything looks right. This is a good time to confirm that the quantities, prices, and overall amount match what you intend to charge. Once you've verified the total, click Save and Close to record the invoice. After the invoice has been saved, go back to the Customers menu at the top and select Customer Center. This area helps you quickly locate customer records and the transactions connected to them. In the Customer Center, select the customer you created the invoice for. When you click that customer's name, you'll be able to see a list of related transactions. Find the invoice you just created and double-click it to open the details. This lets you review the invoice one more time before sending it out. If everything is correct, click Email at the top of the invoice window. At this stage, enter your company email address in the appropriate field, and then enter the recipient's email address where the invoice should be sent. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that the recipient address is correct, since even a small typo can prevent delivery. Once the information is entered, the invoice is ready to go, and that's it. You've now recorded an invoice in QuickBooks Desktop and sent it by email. If you follow this process each time, you'll keep your invoicing organized, accurate, and easy to track.